We'll move on to the next story. Plus has launched a campaign themed Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan. This is as part of its continuous efforts to assist its rest and service area or R&R's local community business operators whose businesses have been severely impacted by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan campaign aims to invite highway customers who have the permission to travel to support the local community business operators as they pit stop at the R&Rs along their journey. Now, to give us a better perspective, I'm joined by Syed Muhammad Idid. He is the Head Strategic Stakeholder Engagement of Plus Highway. Hi, Syed. How are you doing today?
I'm great, Elaine. Thank you for having Plus on this call. Actually, it's so coincidental that Tan Sri Lamtai talked about the heart and helping out people, and this is what we in Plus are looking at, right? We know the pandemic have impacted livelihoods, right? And especially small traders all across the nation, it has been impacted financially, right? While Plus is helping its small traders at the R&Rs with waivers and financial assistance and all that, we know together we can make a bigger difference. And that's why we've come out with this campaign called Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan, because we know those who have the permit and permission to travel along our highways, the essential goods transporter, the frontliners, if you do make a stop at our Plus R&Rs, do buy one packet of nasi lemak, a bihun, a kopi o, because that single purchase gives 1,000 hopes to the families' livelihoods of not only the traders, stall operators, but as well as the entire ecosystem. So that is one part of the heart that Plus is taking good care of its people, of its fence line community. The other part is we've just been granted the independent public vaccination center status at our Persada HQ.
Right, so that was the one that the next question that I had. Now, how is Plus Highway doing, and what are the new initiatives that you have planned and are planning to roll out? And you were just mentioning that you are now a integrated public vaccination center. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so this was a mission by our Managing Director, Dato Azman Ismail. He's always believed in how we can play a role in helping the nation come back stronger. One of the ways of recovery is immunization, right? And we're very proud to be able to be given this by CITF, by the Ministry of Health, that our capacity at Persada, which is the first highway headquarters to actually house a vaccination center, we're able to take in 2,000 doses a day of Pfizer, right? So what we're asking for the rakyat now is please check your MySejahtera regularly. We would like to see you at our Persada Plus to get your first vaccination, and after that your second vaccination, right? And I think it's been ramping up very well with Protect Health. I see there's a light at the end of the Menorah tunnel in Plus, so to speak.
Oh wow, yes, but I think this is really a really great initiative. A lot of premises are also coming on board, and a lot of organizations are coming on board to ramp up the vaccination status. And it looks like we are doing a great job. We're on track to hitting the target to create, sort of like a larger population that has been vaccinated. Now, with regards to, of course, let me bring it back to the highway usage as well. Now, with regards to using highways, what are changes being made in the new, or what we call the next normal, as we learn more about this pandemic? Do you have any SOPs or specific advice as we look towards resuming the travel?
Okay. I think the term new normal is now defunct. It is the normal. Yeah. And safety is always been Plus priority, right? So what we have inserted and infused into Plus is, of course, the safety SOPs when you're out in a public space. And Plus is a public space. So it's very, very important now to actually double face mask. If you're not using a cloth and surgical face mask to double face mask, get a KN95 or a KF94, because that really protects you. And I think one of the things that a lot of people don't realize, because face mask is always in your face, they forget sanitizing their hands and washing their hands regularly, right? And the other thing, of course, physical distancing. So while you're coming back into the highway, and if you would like to support the Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan, we've also got a app in our Plus app where there is a order di sini, a pre-order function. So you can actually pre-order your food and then take it away from the R&R. So you don't have to make that long stop, but you can still support our traders.
Now that sounds great. At least that is an alternative initiative in order for you to expedite your process. You don't have to stop for long, reducing your risk of exposure as well, and being able to still consume, your favorite items from the R&R. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Syed, and we look forward to more people being able to contribute back to society. And if you are actually traveling on the highway, do make that stop. As you mentioned, Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan. And that was, of course, Syed Edith, who was talking to us about the Satu Pembelian Seribu Harapan campaign from Plus Highway. If you want more information, please visit the www.plus.com.my and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more information.